You think Colleen Hoover just writes cheesy romance novels? You're wrong. She is a master hacker of the human nervous system. A few years ago, she was a social worker living in a trailer. Today, she outsells Stephen King. Her secret? She doesn't write for your brain. She writes for your bloodstream. The method, the cortisol spike. Critics hate her simple prose, but they miss the point. She engineers extreme emotional trauma. She breaks her characters just to spike your heart rate. Her golden rule: if I don't cry while writing it, you won't cry while reading it. It's pure, unfiltered emotional transference. The takeaway? Stop trying to sound smart. Perfect logic doesn't go viral. Raw emotion does. Break their hearts, and they will never forget you.